What's up, everybody? Ryan Mandley, American Financial Network, Dream Home Funder Team, your favorite loan officer. I read an interesting article on the top cities that people are moving into, and lo and behold, Phoenix is number one, our market right here, and it is very exciting news. People are pouring in from all over the country in the high-priced areas like Chicago, San Francisco, New York, just to name a few of them, and they're all moving here for multiple reasons. One of them is housing affordability. You will be shocked on the amount of home that you can buy for the amount of money here and the lifestyle that you can have when living in beautiful Phoenix, Arizona. People are always moving here for the opportunity as well. There's a lot of jobs being created here, and there's a lot of great things to do. You can be in the mountains within 2 hours, you can be skiing, you can be an hour flight back to the beach to California, whatever you like to do. If you're looking to move to Phoenix, hit us up. We can help you with the home buying process, we can help you with the financing, getting you pre-qualified, and we can also help you with the home search on our amazing new website, www.dhfhomes.com. You can jump on there for wherever you're located, search for homes in your local area, search for homes in our market. This list is updated every 5 minutes, so you have the most accurate information on your home search. You can favor properties, and it has smart search technology built into there for you, so it'll automatically start recommending homes that it thinks that you do like based on what you're looking at. So really, really cool stuff. The best part is, unlike Zillow and Realtor.com and truly on those other platforms, when you start clicking around on things, we're not gonna sell your information to a bunch of different people. It's just me and my team here in place that's gonna assist you with your home buying process, let you enjoy the website and look at the homes that you really would like to. So, as always, you can call and text me, 480-203-6263. Jump on our website, www.dhfhomes.com. To get pre-approved, you can go to our website, dreamhomefunder.com. Just click the Apply Online tab. We'll jump in and give you a call. Shoot me an email, Ryan@dreamhomefunder.com, and we are here to help, and welcome to Phoenix.